Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice mathematics Olympiad problem, that is 8 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 48. So here we have to find the value of x. Now our problem is 8 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 48. So here, according to exponential identity, if we have a to the power m minus n, it is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. Now here it will be applying here, then we can write a to the power x over 8 squared is equal to 48. Now our next step will be here, if we just cross multiply here we know that denominator is 1, so 8 to the power x times 1 we get 8 to the power x, and here 8 squared times 48. Now 8 to the power x is equal to 8 squared, we just write here 8 squared, and times this 48 can also be written as that 8 times 6. Now if we take log on both hand side, so here we have log 8 to the power x is equal to log here this 8 squared times this 8 times 6, so here we just write 8 and times 6. Now applying logarithm law here, according to logarithm law, if we have log a to the power p, it is equal to p log a. So left hand side will be x log 8 is equal to, here we have log that is 8 squared, so we just write here 8 squared, and similarly that this 8 times 6 is 48, so first of all we just write 48 here, and in next step we will just factorize this 48. So applying here logarithm law, as we know that if we have log a times b, that is equal to log a plus log b. Applying this rule here, so x log 8 is equal to log 8 squared plus log 48. Now here if we just divide this log 8 on both hand side, so here we have log 8 on left hand side, this log 8 is cancelled out with log 8, we get x, which is equal to here that log 8 squared, so log 8 squared, we just write this log 8 individually here over each term, so we get log 8 plus log 48 over log 8. Now our next step will be x is equal to, applying here logarithm powers law, then this 2 is shifted, so we get 2 log 8 over log 8, and here we have log 48 is log 8 times 6, which is 48 all over log 8. Now our next step is x is equal to, this log 8 is cancelled, we get 2 plus here we are going to use product law, so here we have log 8 plus log 6 all over log 8. Now our next step will be, now x is equal to 2 plus, if we just write this denominator separately, so we have log 8 over log 8 plus log 6 over log 8. Now here log 8 is cancelled out, we get x is equal to 2 plus 1, here we get 1 plus this log 6 is written as log 3 plus log 2, log 3 plus log 2, and all over log 8. Now here this x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 plus that log 3 over log 8 plus log 2 over log 8. Now our next step is here x is equal to 3 plus log 3 over log 8 can be written as log 2 cubed, and here log 2 over log 2 cubed. Now x is equal to 3 plus log 3 over, now applying here logarithm powers law, we get 3 log 2 plus, again using the same law here in denominator, we get 3 log 2. So here this log 2 is cancelled out, we get x is equal to 3 plus here 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2, and plus here we get 1 over 3. Now our next step will be x is equal to this 3 plus 1 over 3, and here plus 1 over 3 times, it can be written as log 3 to base 2. According to logarithm law, if we have log a over log b, then it is equal to log a to base b. Now x is equal to, here we see that 3 is least common multiple, so multiplying this 3 with this one we get 9, plus here we have 1 and it is also 1, so we just write log 3 to base 2. Now the value of x will be 9 plus 1 is 10 plus log 3 to base 2 all over 3. So it is our value of x. Now it is our final answer. Here we are going to just check our result here, that value of x. By putting this value in our problem, we can just verify our problem. So let's verify our problem. So for verification, our problem is a to the power x minus 2 is equal to 48. So putting this value of x here, now we get a to the power x is 10 plus log 3 to base 2 all over 3 times, here we have minus 2, is it equal to 48. Now here we can write this, that a to the power this 10 plus log 3 to base 2 all over 3 and times a to the power this minus 2, is it equal to 48. Now here we have this 8 can be written as 2 cubed times 10 plus log 3 to base 2 all over 3 times this 8 is 2 cubed times minus 2, is it equal to 48. So here we have this 3 is cancelled out with 3, we get 2 to the power 10 plus log 3 to base 2 and times 2 to the power 3 times 2 is minus 6, is it equal to 48. Here we are going to use that exponential property. If we have a to the power m plus n, it is equal to a to the power n m times a to the power n. So here we have 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 times this 2 to the power minus 6 can also be written as 1 over 2 to the power 6, is it equal to 48. Now here we have 2 to the power 10 can also be written as 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 6 and times, here we can use logarithm law. If we have a to the power log b to base a, then it is equal to b. So it will be equal to 3 because value of b is 3. The times 1 over 2 to the power 6, is it equal to 48. Now we see that this 2 to the power 6 is cancelled out with 2 to the power 6. We get 2 to the power 4 which is equal to 16, and times here we have 3. Is it equal to 48? So 16 times 3 is 48. Now 48 is equal to 48. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we proved that our value of x is true for this problem. So we get our final answer, which is valid for this problem. So here we have our entire solution. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.